Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can show the shopping recommendations on your idea pins on Pinterest. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Next, tap on the profile icon. Then, select three dots icon. After that, tap on settings and then open social permissions and activity. Here, under shopping recommendations, you can find option called show in idea pins. Toggle on the button beside it. And that's it. This is how you can show the shopping recommendations on your idea pins on Pinterest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.